Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're going to be covering processing job creation in Metrc from Canix. Canix has released the ability to create processing jobs from the manufacturing module. This update allows users to compliantly create processing jobs while still being able to track granular cost, labor, and processing data that is captured in the manufacturing module. It's easy to create processing jobs from Canix. Here I'm in our manufacturing module in a batch called processing job. We can go ahead and add a run to this batch. The setup of runs and batches for processing jobs looks the same as creating runs that are not being recorded as processing jobs. Processing jobs also still work with Canix's bills of materials, which makes it easy to automate the non-cannabis and source cannabis that we are pulling to create these output items. Let's say we're going to be creating these vape cartridges here, and we'll put strain stash run. We can see in our bill of materials summary, we're pulling our source cannabis item. We're creating this vape cartridge as our output item, and we're going to be using this non-cannabis to create it, those cartridges and box. Once we set up the run, it will be open, and we can come to the open run and select our source package that we are going to be using. Let's say we're using 697. Once we select our source package here, we can create our output package. We'll see our next tag populate. We can select our location and enter in a production batch number here. These details will all get sent to Metrc on the processing job we are creating as well. We'll still be able to enter advanced details that, if not required by Metrc, will still be saved in Canix, including things like use by date, expiration date, and then Canix's internal lot ID here. Once we save, we'll see we're pulling that source. We'll be using 1 gram from package 697 and a vape cartridge and a vape box here, and we can go ahead and submit. Here is where we can determine whether or not we want to record this run as a processing job and create that processing job in Metrc. If we do want to record this run as a processing job, we can simply select this box here, and Canix will show your processing job types that have been created on the Metrc side. In this dropdown, we'll see all of the types that have been created. We can select one here, and then we'll be able to submit this run and create a processing job on the Metrc side. Once we go ahead and submit, we'll see that that run was successfully submitted. We will have created package tag 791, which will show in our active packages, and we will have created a processing job on the Metrc side here. Here in Metrc, in our processing jobs tab, we'll be able to see the processing job that we created, this strain stash run here. We can see the created packages of package tag 791 and that source package that we used on the processing job here. I hope that creating processing jobs from Canix is helpful, and thank you for watching.